Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm playing PvZ. Oh, I hate this guy. Basically, he's been killing me the whole fucking day. I swear to God, if I lose this fight. Oh my God. Shit, fuck. Oh, let's fucking go. You're so shit. Oh my God, I actually die. I'm actually gonna fucking suck your mom's cock dry. Oh, I'm actually so happy, man. Yeah, my teammates are absolute bollocks. I've been fucking grinding this game. I'm actually carrying hard right now. They're absolute shy. They're not defending at all. Oh, get fucking beamed. Let's go, you punani cunt. Oh, there you go. What the fuck was that? That's fucking cactus. Oh, bro, really fucking revive. Shit on. There's more people. Right, so if I see that fucking corner again. Oh my God, right there, fuck. Bro, I'm actually in fucking near with this guy. Oh, let's go, shit on. Absolute fucking shite. Oh my days. Oh shit. How the hell did he not just see me? Oh, imagine missing, absolute shit. Let's fucking go, you punani fucking cunt. Punani Gallon. Oh, big oak. What? How does he have so much health? Oh, fuck you. Who is that? Oh my God, that shitey corn. He's not even good, man. Oh, how are they already got 3 of the batteries, my dudes? Come on, like, do something. Citron. I don't even really know what's going on anymore with my team, but whatever. Oh, like 900 bloody health. Fried that man. Oh, who is that man? Oh my God, what is this game? You're so bad. Actually, suck your mum. He's so fucking fat. I swear, if I die again to him, I'm actually gonna jump off the White House, I swear. But yeah, carrying on. Oh my God. Oh yeah, and if it sounds like I have a cold, it's because I fucking do, you cunt. Oh my God, actually die. Oh my days, I hate that ability. Where'd he go? What the hell? Fucking Harry Potter, mate. Fuck me. Oh my God, I swear if I lose the fight to this guy. Fuck me. Actually, fuck me in the asshole. I'm actually gonna fucking lose. Oh, I swear. Please. Oh, I hate that ability. I hate all those abilities. Such a piss baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. We won. Did we actually win? I think we won. Oh my God. Please die. Please die. Please die. Please die. Please die. Fuck you. Oh my God. Let's go. We actually won. Actually, so pissy that game was. My team was absolute dog shit. Let's go. I'm so happy. Let's fucking go. Wait, what? No. What? Fuck. We lost. What is this game? This is so trash. I'm actually so mad. I swear if I'm not even on the podium, I'm actually gonna kill myself. Like, generally gonna kill myself. Please. Fucking load. Please. Oh my God. Ah. Oh my days, I'm not on the podium. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye, you absolute cum sluts. Fuck. Hate this game so much sometimes. Alright, peace.